Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at a couple of items that I just got in from Mumba. This is a tempered glass screen protector for the Nintendo Switch, and this is a protective hard shell case. Let's check them out. So first, this is a screen protector. Let's get this open. Now, Mumba screen protectors, they come with, looks like 2 of these, tempered glass. There's a second one right here. Comes with a little packet that you can clean the screen with. Put that to the side for right now. This is screen protector. I said tempered glass. This is the plastic backing. So you're just gonna peel that off, just like so. All right, here we go. So glass. The Nintendo Switch has ports down here, right at the bottom. So you see your cutouts right here. It's gonna be kind of hard to see on the camera, but you have cutouts. One here, and one over here. These are gonna go facing downward. So I'm gonna hold the Nintendo just like this, and you're gonna line them up. You see there's a hole right there and a sensor right there. You're gonna just line those up real nice and neat, drop it in place, and smooth it out. And it's gonna kind of adhere on its own. If you can see it, it's adhering to the screen on its own. You're gonna have a few bubbles, but what you're gonna do is just press those out with the pad that they give you. So open that up, and we are going to just kind of press those out. And normally these bubbles will go away within a couple of days or so. They just kind of correct themselves. But there you go. Like I said, we do have some bubbles in there, but we're going to just continue to work with those and press those out. Right now, what I really want to get into is this hard shell protective case. So let's get it out of the box and see what it looks like. All right, so here we go. The Mumba, this is a hard shell case. It's gonna protect your Nintendo Switch from drops and bumps when you're traveling. Has double zippers on it, which is really good for protection. Has lanyards on it. Okay, check. Has your Mumba branding right there on the front. On the inside, this is something new that I really like. You actually have a zipper pocket. So for your extra controllers, you don't have to worry about them bouncing around. You just drop them in, zip them up. They don't come out. Awesome. On the inside right here, 10 games right there, 10 games right there. Total of 20 games can be carried in here very safely, securely. You just slide them into those slots right there. Awesome. Nice padding on the inside to keep your screen from getting all banged up. And now for the Nintendo. There we go. All right, we got it in. It's all protected, all sides. Has a rubber band on the inside, if you can see that. It's gonna hold that Nintendo Switch right there in place. Great quality product. I give this a 5 out of 5. Now, I am liking that it's hard, yet it's kind of soft at the same time. I really like that feature. And all the padding that you have on the inside is really nice. Padding here, and it's padding back here behind the actual Nintendo itself. So we give this a 5 out of 5. Like I said, you can go and pick this up on Amazon. Just type in Mumba and Nintendo Switch carrying case. They make these in this color blue, and they also have a cool camo color that you can get. But all in all, awesome case. It's going to protect your device. What more can I say? Make sure you give me that thumbs up. Until next time, average checkout out. Peace.